Ever dreamed of cashing in on the real estate boom without the hassle of owning property? The traditional route of buying, maintaining, and renting out properties can be overwhelming and capital-intensive. That's where wholesaling comes in. Imagine being the middleman who connects motivated sellers with eager investors, all while making a tidy profit for yourself. It's like being a real estate matchmaker, connecting motivated sellers with eager investors. You don't need to own the property, you just need to control it long enough to sell it to someone else. And the best part? You can start with little to no capital. That's right, you don't need a huge bank account to get started in wholesaling. This guide is your one-stop shop for all things wholesaling. From finding the right properties to negotiating deals, we've got you covered. We'll break down the jargon, walk you through the process, and arm you with the knowledge to tackle your first deal. You'll learn how to identify motivated sellers, how to negotiate effectively, and how to close deals quickly. Get ready to unlock the potential of this lucrative strategy and start building your real estate empire. With the right guidance and tools, you can turn your real estate dreams into reality. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of real estate wholesaling. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this guide will help you navigate the complexities of the market. Let's turn you from a real estate newbie into a confident dealmaker. With our step-by-step approach, you'll gain the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the competitive world of real estate wholesaling. Wholesaling is all about finding great deals on properties and assigning those deals to other investors. You're essentially the middleman, but instead of selling products, you're selling contracts. Here's how it works. You find a property that's significantly under market value, often because the owner is motivated to sell quickly. You get it under contract, then find an investor who's willing to buy it from you at a higher price. The difference between the price you have under contract and the price the investor pays you is your profit. The beauty of wholesaling is that you never actually own the property. This means you don't need to worry about mortgages, renovations, or tenants. Ready to jump into your first deal? Real estate wholesaling can be a lucrative venture if you know the steps and follow them carefully. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, understanding the process is crucial to your success. Here's a simple breakdown of the wholesaling process, a method that allows you to make money in real estate without actually owning the property. It's all about finding great deals and connecting sellers with buyers. Step 1. Find motivated sellers. These are individuals who are eager to sell their property quickly, often due to financial distress, relocation, or other personal reasons. Look for properties that are distressed, vacant, or have owners facing foreclosure. These properties are often sold below market value, providing an opportunity for you to negotiate a good deal. Step 2. Negotiate a price. This is a critical step where your negotiation skills come into play. You need to convince the seller to agree to a price that allows you to make a profit when you sell the contract to an investor. Be prepared to discuss the property's condition, market trends, and any repairs needed. Aim for a price significantly below market value to leave room for your profit margin. Remember, the lower the purchase price, the higher your potential profit when you assign the contract to an investor. Step 3. Secure the property with a contract. This contract gives you the right to purchase the property at the agreed-upon price within a specified time frame. Once you agree on a price, get the property under contract. This legally binds the seller to the deal, ensuring they cannot sell the property to someone else during the contract period. Make sure all terms are clearly outlined in the contract, including the purchase price, closing date, and any contingencies. Step 4. Find an investor buyer. This is where your network comes into play. Reach out to investors who are looking for good deals and present the property to them. Market the property to your network of investors. Use various channels such as real estate networking events, online forums, and email lists to reach potential buyers. Highlight the profit potential and any other attractive features. Provide detailed information about the property, including photos, repair estimates, and potential resale value. Step 5. Assign the contract and collect your fee. Once you find an interested investor, assign your contract to them for a fee. This fee is your profit for finding and securing the deal. This process involves transferring your rights to purchase the property to the investor, who will then complete the purchase. This fee is your profit. Congratulations, you've successfully completed a wholesale deal. With practice and persistence, you can repeat this process and build a profitable real estate business. Cracking the code strategies for wholesaling success. Wholesaling isn't just about finding any property, it's about finding the property and the buyer. Here are some proven strategies. First, master your market. Know your local market inside and out. Understand property values, trends, and the types of properties investors are looking for. Second, build a strong network. Connect with other investors, real estate agents, and contractors. Your network is your lifeline in wholesaling. Third, market like a pro. Use online and offline marketing strategies to find motivated sellers and reach potential investors. And finally, sharpen your negotiation skills. Negotiating is a crucial part of wholesaling. Learn how to negotiate win-win deals for both you and the seller. Real-world wins learning from the trenches. In the world of real estate, the best lessons often come from real-life experiences. These are the stories that teach us the most, showing us the highs and lows, the challenges and triumphs. Today, we're diving into one such story that perfectly illustrates the power of strategic thinking and quick action. Let's bring this to life with a real-world example. A scenario that many real estate professionals might encounter. Picture this. You're at a business meeting, discussing potential properties with your team. You're all pointing at a blueprint of a house, trying to identify the best opportunities. Imagine finding a rundown property in a decent neighborhood. It's the kind of house that most people would overlook, but you see potential. The property is in a location that's desirable, but the house itself is in dire need of repair. The owner is facing foreclosure and is desperate to sell. They're stressed, worried about their financial future, and looking for a way out. This is where your opportunity lies. You approach the homeowner with a solution that can help both of you. You negotiate a price of $50,000, securing the property with a contract. This is a crucial step. The contract is your key to controlling the property without actually owning it. You shake hands and the deal is set in motion. You then contact an investor from your network who specializes in flipping houses. Networking is vital in real estate, and having a list of potential investors can make all the difference. You explain the situation to the investor, highlighting the potential profit. They see the potential in the property and agree to buy the contract from you for $65,000. This investor knows the market and understands the value of the property once it's renovated. They write you a check and the contract is transferred. Just like that, you've made a $15,000 profit without ever owning or renovating the property. This is the beauty of wholesaling. It's about finding opportunities, securing them, and then passing them on to someone who can take it to the next level. This is just one example of how wholesaling can generate significant profits in a short amount of time. It's a strategy that requires knowledge, negotiation skills, and a keen eye for potential. But when done right, it can be incredibly rewarding. With the right strategies and a bit of hustle, you can achieve similar success stories. Real estate is a dynamic field full of opportunities for those who are willing to learn and take action. So get out there, start networking, and keep an eye out for those hidden gems. Your next big win could be just around the corner. Dodging the pitfalls. Common mistakes to steer clear of. Like any business venture, wholesaling comes with its own set of challenges. Avoid these common mistakes to ensure a smoother journey. First, overestimating after repair value, or ARV. Accurately estimating the ARV is crucial. Overestimating can lead to losses for you and your investors. Second, neglecting due diligence. Thoroughly research properties before making offers. Unforeseen issues can eat into your profits. Third, poor communication. Maintain clear and consistent communication with both sellers and investors throughout the process. And fourth, lack of patience. Finding the right deals takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Your wholesaling journey begins. Take the leap. Wholesaling real estate offers a unique opportunity to tap into the lucrative real estate market without needing significant capital or experience. It's a fast-paced, challenging, and ultimately rewarding field that can pave the way to financial freedom. Remember, success in wholesaling comes with dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the process, leverage the strategies outlined in this guide, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced wholesalers. The world of real estate wholesaling awaits. Take the leap, start building your network, and watch your real estate dreams become a reality.